Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this problem to unlock the locked worksheet without knowing the password. This is pretty simple, and please watch this video till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel such that I can be empowered to make more videos. Let's get started. First of all, you'll need these softwares. In order to do that, you'll need to install Notepad++ on your machine, and you'll need to install WinRar on your machine. If you don't have them installed, please check in this video's description. You will find links to follow in order to have those softwares installed. Now let me assume that everything is installed, the WinRar and Notepad++. Let's get started. So this is the file that is locked. If I open it now and we try to change, probably let me add a name here. Oh, it's telling me the cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. So we are going to follow these steps in order to unlock it. What we are going to do, we are going to first make sure we navigate to View tab of our folder where this file is located. Then we make sure that file name extension, this option is checked, because we need to change file name extension temporarily in order to have this method work. So what we are going to do, we are going to remove this Excel extension part, XLSX. So place F2 on your keyboard, F2. While selecting this file, press F2. First select it, just click in it once to select it and press F2 to rename. So navigate to move to this last part and change it to zip. Good. So after doing so, now we are going to extract the contents of the zip. Here, I'm going to right click on it and say extract here. That option, when you have installed WinRar, it will be visible. So now the contents of our zip file have been extracted successfully. What we are going to do, this zip file, the original one, is now no longer important, but I don't suggest that you delete it, because if something goes wrong in what we are going to do, you should revert to that original file. So I encourage you to back it up somewhere, but in the case of this video, I'm going to delete it such that you can follow everything exactly. Because you may think that there's some important thing we are about to do with that zip file, but it's now no longer in use, or we shall no longer use it. So for the case of this video, let me delete it out. Now what we are going to do, we are going to open the Excel folder, this one. So when we open it, still we are going to open worksheets folder. And we are seeing sheet 1. That's the one we want to unprotect. I'm going to right click on sheet 1 and say edit with Notepad++. After doing so, I'll get these codes. I should not tamper with these codes. I'm going to click to press Ctrl F on my keyboard, as in find. Sorry, I'm going to press Ctrl F to find. Then I write protect or protection, whatever you write. Then press find next. So it will show you where sheet protection is. In my case, it is here. So I'm going to insert point here, insert cursor. Then I press enter to create new line so that I can push this sheet protection to new line. I want to delete it without affecting any other line of code. So the next thing I can do, I can move to the end of this line and see where it ends. It ends here. So I don't include the worksheet part of it. So I create line just to have this sheet protection alone. When I highlight it, all of it, and I delete it, then I'm going to save again. Ctrl S to save my file. Now that is it. The protection has been removed. Now the question is, how can we have our Excel file back after removing the protection? Let's navigate back to the original files where I found the Excel folder. Now here I'm going to highlight everything, right click on them and say add to archive. So after adding to archive, I'll get files.lar. Then what I should do, I should archive format, I should choose zip. Then I press OK. So a zip file will be created. This is our Excel file. Now, even if I delete these first files, they are no longer in use because I've used them to remove the sheet protection, and now they are in that zip file. So after removing them, now what we are going to do, we are going to change the file name extension of this zip back to Excel. So I'm going to click on it and press F2 on the keyboard to rename. So I'm going to type back the Excel extension, and this is going to be XLSX. So I say yes. Congratulations, now protection has been removed. Let's test it. Double click on it to open. Here is our file. Let me add a name as Patrick. Wow. Thank you much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel such that I can be empowered to make some more other videos. I love you, and please comment down if you have found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching. Kazwe Patrick.